How to send USDT from Binance to OKX Wallet. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to look at how to do this. First thing you have to do is open up your Binance and head over to the Wallets tab at the bottom right corner. From here you're going to have to go to Overview, Spot, or Funding tab depending on where you have your USDT. Now from here you can just click on Withdraw. Tap on it, and once you go here just search for USDT and then send via crypto network. Now here all you need is to paste the address, but before you do that you're going to have to select your network. For example, here you can compare how much minimum withdrawal you can do and the arrival time. So comparing that, you just select your preferred network. Then you can go to your OKX wallet, and then from here go to the transfer tab. Here you just have to search for your USDT and then tap on it. Now on top you can see different networks. You just have to scroll and find the network that you selected on Binance and copy the network address. Once you've copied the address, you can go back to Binance and paste it. Once you've pasted the address there, you just have to select your withdrawal amount and then tap on withdraw. Now once you've tapped on the withdraw button, it should send the USDT from your Binance to the OKX wallet. But you have to know that there are some tokens required in USDT or any network that you select, for example, Optimism. So you are going to need some Optimism token on your OKX wallet. So make sure you have that on standby. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.